Hey friends, my name is Nick Sifoni, otherwise known as Deacon Nick or Deacon Z, if maybe you've caught me in a computer game over the last 10 years or so. Welcome to the Influencer School Kit. And what is Influencer School Kit? Why would you consider joining? It's a place for influencers, creators, even online coaches to join and learn how to monetize your business in some different ways. Uh, Over my time as a creator and as a business owner, I have seen a lot of influencers who rely entirely on brand deals and the money that they get from the platform, from Twitch or YouTube or whatever it might be, as their sole source of income. Well, I'd almost be tempted to say that's the fast way. And anyone listening to this, you know that's not fast. But most importantly, it's not the smart way. And why do I say that? I saw a video about a month ago of a girl, an influencer, standing in front of the TikTok corporate offices in the United States, crying her eyes out, knocking on the door. I guess they booted her out. And she was just, you banned my account, you closed my account. And to be honest, it was a little funny, but to her and to anyone else that's been in that situation, there's really nothing funny about it. I remember a time in my career where I owned over 1,000 apps. I had over 1,000 mobile apps on Google Play, and I was making between 1,000 and 1,500 bucks a day consistently. I woke up one morning and I got an email that said, "Sorry, Nick, due to whatever reason, your account's been closed." So my business went from high to low to gone literally overnight. And that's what happened to this girl. As if you've ever been banned from some of these platforms, and if you've been around a while, I'm sure you have, it's frustrating. But if she had a client list, if she had all of her, not all, but most of her most engaged followers on an email list, that she could send an email just to announce she's switching platforms or whatever, right? Whatever she decided to do, she would not be in the predicament that she was in that day. So primarily, the first thing we're going to teach is how to create a database, how to entice your fans to join your mailing list. Maybe you're going to do a newsletter, maybe you're going to have a contest, whatever reason it might be. So, and if something like this, God forbid, ever happens, you can get out there and still communicate with your clients and fix it, right? Or with your fans, I should say, and fix it. Now, there's a lot of other things you can do with a customer list, with a mailing list. You could sell your own products. You could sell affiliate products. You could partner with other creators, other influencers, sell their products to your fans. And there's just so much you can do, but you got to do it and you got to do it right. And that's one of the things I'm here to teach. I've set up and taught countless numbers of small businesses and other influencers how to build an email list for themselves. I've had an email list of tens of thousands of my own. Um, so that's the first thing we're going to teach is how to create that email list, what tools to use, how to write the emails, how to write what we call a lead magnet. Basically, you're going to give away something for free that makes them join. How often to contact them, why to contact them. You have to have a reason, right? One of the big words in marketing is reason. People, if you want to lead people, there has to be a reason for everything you do, or a reason for everything they do, a reason for them to follow you, a reason to click like, a reason to join your mailing list, a reason to buy your book or to buy whatever, if you work with a brand, a reason to buy those products. So that's the first thing we're going to teach you is how to create a list. We're also going to we have an area in there where if you're a brand, you can post what type of influencers you're looking for. If you're an influencer, you can post what type of brands that you want to work with. So it's a place not only for you to create this email list, but to learn other ways to monetize your list, how to meet up with other influencers to partner with, how to partner with brands. And there's going to be a whole section around that. We're going to teach you how to make affiliate sales, link building, inbound link building. We'll even talk a little bit about search engine optimization and that type of thing. We're going to talk about mindset. We're going to bring in special people to talk about mindset. I say we are bringing in special people to talk about mindset. So in a way, we're going to show you how to turn your influencer business from just a YouTube channel or whatever your channel is into a true business. So I hope you join us. Briefly, why am I qualified? I've been in sales for 20 years. I sold door to door for 10 years. I ran a telephone, I ran a $2 million a year phone sales operation. We sold wine by the case to people. We didn't sell it to wine shops and restaurants. We sold a case of wine to people, and we cold call out of the yellow pages, right? This is before the internet. Hi, your name was passed along to us as someone who likes a good glass of wine from time to time. Does that sound like you? And then we'd open the conversation. And anyway, for the last 12 years, I've ran a digital agency, and I've worked with influencers. I've worked with tons of different types of small businesses. And that's what I want to share with you. That's what I want to help this new community learn and grow. So you can learn a lot more about me inside, but hit the button below, join us, and let us help. Again, I'm Deacon Nick. Thanks for watching. I'll see you inside. Bye.